Alright, the PowerPoint's done, but just a demonstration of how I kind of constructed each slide. Just going to add one down here and delete it afterward. I'm going to do title and content. Find an app. I searched a couple of different things. Best fitness apps, best health and wellness apps, best nutrition apps. Things that apply to one, my major, which is exercise science, and then two, what I want my career to be, which is as of right now, what I'm envisioning is something in the personal training sphere. I'm not exactly sure what that will be, but helping people get fit and stay healthy. So that's what all these apps are aligned with, and what I'll do is just find one that look cool, one of the top rated ones, check it out, read through the information that was given on the app, and summarize it and give it a score. So yeah, create a new slide using all black text because that came out better. Title of the app, score of the app, things about the app, summarization, and I'll just go and basically go to Google Images and search for usually the logo of the app, just so if anybody is interested in any of those things, they could search for the actual logo in their preferred app store. If you look at all these, this is the Ultras, that is the app looks like. The logo, this is what the logo looks like for Calm. And yeah, that was it.